Hi guys, in this video we'll show you how to replace mirror turn signal on Mercedes-Benz A, B, C and many other models in just 6 simple steps. You have to use a trim tool and a T10 Torx. So here we have an aftermarket mirror signal that you can find it in the video description below. We will install it on a Mercedes-Benz C-Class from 2010. You don't have to push the mirror like this, we just do that for a better angle to film it. Remove the mirror cover starting from the lower part. So you have to pull out and then up from the lower part, from that lip, from the mirror housing. Then pull out and then up from the upper left corner until you hear a click, and do the same for the right corner. When you manage to unclip the lower part from the mirror housing, then you can separate it from the back using a trim tool. Now you can see that the lip it's a little bit higher than the mirror housing. So now we will use a trim tool. You can find the removal trim tool set like this in the video description below. Insert the trim tool along the mirror to separate the mirror housing from the lower part. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel Tutorial Auto. There it is. Then lift the mirror housing up. And now you can see that small lip that is holding the mirror housing in place. That's why you have to insert the trim tool to separate the mirror housing from that. And here is the lip that you have to pull it out and then up to unclip it. And here you can see those small clips and also a main clip. The blue one is the harness. And here is the main clip and also a small clip over there. If you want to buy an original equipment mirror signal, you can only find it together with the mirror housing. Otherwise, you can buy the mirror signal only aftermarket. You can find Mercedes-Benz C-Class W204 mirror cover like this using this serial number A3159436. Then you have to remove those two T10 Torx bolts from the signal. So this is a T10 Torx that you have to use it. Then you remove the indicator from the clips and then take it out. You just have to move the clips on the right side to unclip the signal. And then lift the signal and slide it on the left side and then take it out. So you can find mirror indicator like this using these serial numbers A21290Z067501 and also A3159540C. So here is the clip. It's broken. Maybe the mirror was heated. And here is the other clip. If you can see, there's some glue at the end of it, so you have to use the trim tool to separate the signal from the mirror housing. Let me show you. You have to insert the trim tool behind that small lip. So let's see with the signal on. So now you can see more clearly. You have to use the trim tool to separate the signal from the mirror housing. Only that small lip. So here is the aftermarket signal and the original signal from the Mercedes C-Class W204. Let's see if it's working. So it's okay, this aftermarket product. Be careful to insert that harness into that place. Then install the new signal on the mirror housing. Starting from the left side. And then fix it on the clips. And then put those two bolts back and then install the cover back on the mirror. Be careful to insert the cover into that small plastic. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel of Tutorial Auto. And that's it. If you have any suggestions about new tutorials, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.